Hey there, this is David, otherwise known as WingItMan. Um, I just wanted to show off a little project I've been working on again, rather. I should be saying. I've been working on another version of my vehicle system for Roblox. I'll just turn the volume up a bit. um, and as you can see, I've got Roblox Studio open here. I've got a new chassis that I've been working on. Um, one neat one fun fact about this chassis: it's completely uh, program generated rather than hand built as my previous chassis were, and you can literally customize it nearly any way you want. Well, that's the way I intend it to be. The body's going to be an issue anyway. Different. So I wanted to talk about some things that I've been adding to this chassis. And one of them, as you can see, is highlighted, is differential. I've been experimenting with differential on this particular chassis. What a differential does is when you have so the power from your engine goes down to, for example, in a rear-wheel drive car, it'll go down to the drive line and then be split between what's called a differential. And the differential will then push that power to the rear wheels. However, if on an open differential, if you have one wheel, if you have, on an open differential, if you have one wheel that is touching the floor and one that is not, the when you try to drive the vehicle, all the power will be sent to the wheel that is not touching the floor. If you look up differentials and how they work, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Now, Roblox's hinges don't really have that sort of problem, as the way I programmed this, the power from the engine is sent directly to both wheels, more like a electric car. However, this problem still does occur, so I was thinking I wanted to try and see if I can simulate a differential. So I've got an align orientation object, attached it to both the wheel, to both wheels. I give it a certain amount of torque, and now as you can see with these two little spiky things that show you where the top and the front of the wheel is. If I now tries to drive, the left wheel, will not turn without the back right wheel. So that's effectively a locked differential. If I think it's enable rigidity. This will completely lock up the back. Well, actually, I've got the differential on all of the wheels, so that will actually make it pretty hard to drive and turn. I'll turn that off for now. If I increase the max torque of the differential of this align orientation object, then this back left wheel shouldn't be able. Forgot the responsiveness. Shouldn't be able to turn at least much without the back right wheel. It's just one of those little things that I wanted to try simulating, and yeah, it does some interesting things with the car. It also helps to improve handling. Well, kind of improve handling a bit. Now I've got myself stuck. How have I managed that? Oh no. I need to sort out those brakes. Let's go with that. There we go. Yeah, I've been doing a few other things with the car, but that's mainly what I wanted to look at today. Thank you very much for watching, and if you want to see any more about this chassis I've been working on, then leave a comment down below, and yeah, let me know what you think. Thank you very much. Bye bye.